Okay. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, we will continue with
Good
our
afternoon, ma'am.
topics. Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, so take your notes and start doing the next question. Will you tell the question number? Will you tell the question number, children?
3.
3. Yes. Question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. In figure AB parallel to CD. All these questions are very easy. Just to find the angles. AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. CD parallel to EF. Also, EA perpendicular to AB. EA perpendicular
Yes,
to AB.
Yes, ma'am.
If angle BEF, if angle BEF equal to 55 degree, angle BEF equal to 55 degree, find the values of X, Y and Z. Find the values of X, Y and Z.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the values of X, Y and Z. AB, CD, EF. AB, CD and EF. $55. X, Y. Okay, children, did you get any idea to find out X and Y and Z? Yes, children, AB, it is given that AB, CD
Ma'am.
and EF are parallel. AB, CD and EF are parallel. All these are parallel. And EA perpendicular. One perpendicular. This the line EA is AE is perpendicular. AE is perpendicular to AB. As children, you tell, find out some reasons to find the answer.
Ma'am, y
Why how much?
125 degree.
How will you get y 125 degree?
Co-interior angles.
Yes. Y equal to 180 minus, shall I write 180 minus 55?
Yes, ma'am.
Equal to 125 degree. Reason? Co-interior angles,
Co-interior.
consecutive interior angles. Isn't it? Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay, co-interior angles. Again,
X.
what is X?
125
Very easy
degree.
to find out.
Same.
X equal to same. And reason? What are the
Corresponding angle.
corresponding angles? This X and this Y are corresponding angles in the same position. So it is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Yes. Again, Z is there. How to find Z? How
I'm
to find-
35 only.
35.
How did you get 35?
90 minus 55.
90 minus.
Okay, children. This AE line AE is perpendicular. That means these, since all these lines are parallel, all this will be perpendiculars. Isn't it? AE is perpendicular to AB, but AB is parallel to CD and parallel to EF. That means AE is perpendicular to all these lines. Isn't it? So Z equal to, I'll write here, Z equal to down. Okay. So Z equal to 90 minus 55. 90 minus 55. And our answer is 35. 90 minus 55. And answer is 35. Okay, children, did you get the answer? See, most of your videos are not. I'm looking at only very less children. See, only 3-4 students I am facing and teaching them. Did you understand the question? Did you understand, Melvin? Melvin, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody needs any explanation on that?
Can you show slide again?
Yes. Surya, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. I'll give the next question.
How did we get that 35? 90 minus 55.
90 minus 55, how much?
35, but how 90 came that I
You. 1 minute, mole. See this? See. This is 90 degree, it is given. This is 90 degree, correct? AB is AE. I'll use some another color so that you can understand. It is given that AE, this line AE, perpendicular. It is given. This is 90 degree. This green color. Can you see green color?
Yes.
That is 90 degree. It is given. And AB, CD and EF are parallel. Okay. If this is 90 degree, this also will be 90 degree because all these are parallel lines, right?
Yes.
See corresponding angles. like this.
Oh, now I
One is
understand.
90 degree. What about this? 90 degree.
90 degree.
This also 90 degree,
90
correct?
degree.
Because
Yes.
all these are corresponding angles. Isn't it?
Yes.
So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. But, and one angle is 55. What about the other? So said 90 minus 55. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, we'll move to the next one. In figure, question number, will you tell the question number?
4.
4. In figure, AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF, and Y is to Z equal to 3 is to 7. 3 is to 7. 3 is to 7. Find X. To other figure. 3 parallel lines. All these questions are, there will be 3 parallel lines. Not only 2. 3 parallel lines. Okay, find out some way to find the answer.
The angle y and angle z, it will give supplementary.
Yes, but angle Y is in this side, no?
Ma'am, angle X and Z are alternating interior angles.
Angle X and
Z.
but here it is Y and Z, right? 3 is to 7. Yes,
3x
children.
plus-
Yes, children.
We
Can you
should find
find
the
the
answer of Z.
see? If this is given as Y, right? So straight vertically opposite angle, how much it will be? Y itself. Clear? This one was given earlier that it was Y. So we will find its vertically opposite angle. What is that? Vertically opposite angle near set. Near set. Not telling. See children, it was given that this angle is Y and this is X. Okay. But you know that this angle, just now I put a tick over here, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That angle and Z are supplementary. Isn't
Yes,
it? I will use some other color. See children, this angle and this angle are supplementary. Okay, supplementary. And can you find this angle then? That ratio is given. Clear?
3x plus 7x is equal to
Yes,
180
yes.
degree.
This angle is y itself, right? Because these are vertically opposite angle.
Yes.
Yes, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can find y is to z equal to 3 is to 7. And 3x, we take 3x plus 7x equal to 180. Because those are supplementary. Now 10x equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 10 equal to 18. 180 by 10 equal to 18.
Ma'am, 126.
126, right? So find x. X you have to find. Sorry. This one, not this. Just give it as A. So you will find, give it as A. Okay. So what is A here? Because, sorry, I have given 7x plus 3x plus 7x as in the ratio. So if you find again x, it will be difficult for you. Give this as A. Okay. So it will be easy for you. Find A. Now you can find A. These two also supplementary. Isn't it?
Yes.
So find out y now. What is y?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
we can find z and x value same now. Vertically opposite angles.
Z and
X. A.
where is it?
Down.
Z is this, no?
Yes.
Then
A is on top. Left.
here top left.
Yes, so they are
See,
vertically
children,
opposite angles.
not vertically opposite angles. They you can do find out. Are these vertically opposite angles? What do you mean by vertically opposite angles? Which one is on the top of the parallel line, right? Top parallel line and down parallel line set comes. So where can you find vertically opposite angle, Adidev? Is there any
No.
method? Is there any other method you are thinking about? Tell
Yes.
me.
Yes.
You are listen, children. This angle and this angle are same. Like that you can do. Because these are corresponding angles. Like that you can do. Now what you are thinking is correct. See, children, did you understand anything? Hello?
Yes.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand how we got 18?
Yes.
Why? Because y and z are supplementary angles. Why, how we got y here? Because these two are vertically opposite angles. So y and z are supplementary. So when you substitute 3x plus 7x equal to 180, you will get 10x equal to 180. So x equal to 18. So you find the angle y equal to 3x equal to 3 into 18. 3 into 18. How much?
54.
54. And what about x, z? 7x.
126.
7 into 18 equal to how much?
126. 126.
126. Now, the Dev was asking,
Ma'am, it was alternate angles. Sorry.
Okay. No problem, Adidev. Otherwise, you can find like this also. When you told vertical opposite angles, I thought of like this. See, children, this A we have to find out. Lot of other methods, I will show this. See, this A you have to find out. A. See, this green color. A. Can you see A? A you have to find out how much. Okay. It is same as this. Corresponding angle. These all are same. Clear? All are corresponding angle. Same position, right? Down, left side. These all are corresponding angles. So this also A, this also A. Now you can find vertically opposite angles. Set. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Lot of methods. Can you find any other method? See, children, I want to see all of your faces. See, children, did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand? One more time I will draw if you want. See. I'll take this whiteboard. Okay. See, children, there are 3 parallel lines. 3 parallel lines. And it is A. It was X, but I have given A because ratio we are taking 7X and 3X. That is why I have taken it as A. One A is here, and Y is here, and Z is here. And the ratio is given as Y is to Z. 3 is to 7. But there is no connection between this Y and Z. Did you understand? Children, did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There is no connection between Y and Z because those two angles, not corresponding angles, not alternate interior angles, not vertically opposite angles. Okay. So what we did is, since this is vertically opposite angle of Y, now there is a connection between Y and Z. Clear? We wrote this Y also down because those two are vertically opposite angles. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you know Y and Z are vertically opposite supplementary angles. Okay, children. Now you can write Y as 3X and Z as 7X. Okay. Now will you write it as 3X plus 7X equal to 180 degree. 10X equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 by 10 equal to 18. Okay. Now you can find Y and Z. Y equal to 3X equal to 3 into 18 equal to 54. And Z equal to 7X equal to 7 into 18 equal to 126. You got Y and Z. But we have to find A. Any other method to find A? There are a lot of methods. Because when you add, listen children, when you add A plus Y, how much will you get?
180.
180. So one method is like this. A plus Y equal to 180. A plus Y, you know it is 54. 180. So A equal to 126. One method. Another method is this A and this and this. A. All these are corresponding angles. And it is the vertically opposite angle of Z. Clear? So that A is also equal to Z. So A equal to 126. This way you can find. Any other way is there? Any other way can you find out? No. Any other way, children?
No, ma'am.
Lot of methods are there. Okay. Now did you understand any method? Any one method?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, clear. Clear now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, only Ashik. Others, Nirubama,
Yes,
Hadi.
ma'am.
Hadi.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Badra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You want me to explain it again, Surya?
No, ma'am.
Easy.
Okay. So it is time 4 more minutes. I'll give one more question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my dear children, one more question. Question number 5. Question number 5. In figure AB parallel to CD, EF perpendicular to CD, parallel and perpendicular, and angle GED equal to 126. Find angle AGE angle GEF angle FGE. Okay, figure I will draw. See children, you have to find this angle, this one, AGE, GEF, this angle, and FGE. This also.
Ma'am.
Yes? And children, you hear, here it is given that it is 126. This one
All.
is given as 126. Only that is given. But you can find. There are a lot of ways to find out.
Ma'am, AGE is 126.
AGE is 126, correct? Okay. Then find out.
Ma'am, GEF 36 degree.
Yes, correct. Then
Angle FGE
the
54 degree.
54. Good. See, children. See, we will get the answer very soon. Just think for 2 minutes. All of you. Did you draw the question? Did you draw the question? Everyone? Did you draw the figure?
Yes.
Okay, then find out the answer for the next class. So, children, we have one more period today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, 2 periods over, right? So, we'll continue in the next period. Okay, children? So, it is very easy. See, Adidev has found the answer of everything by just looking the figure. So, all of you can do. Isn't it, Rufa? Isn't it, Rufa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, just have a look at this. You will understand. Okay. No need of calculating, thinking too much. You will get the answer very fast. Okay, children. So, shall I wind up now? I'll continue in the next class. Okay, John Samuel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't believe. John Samuel understood? Find out the answer and come, okay, for the next class. Okay, Rajot,
Yes, ma'am.
smiling, what happened? Okay, so thank you. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.